A new study found that, overall, Android users are more honest than iPhone users. Psychology says that pain makes you stronger. Fear causes you to become braver. Heartbreak makes you wiser. Do you know that the constant holding of urine can lead to kidney stones? Do you know that English has only one word for love, but Sanskrit has 96 words? Did you know that lips are reddish due to large number of capillaries hidden under the skin? This is Taiwan. This is how they are developing infrastructures without damaging nature. Psychological study revealed that 72% of people get their best creative ideas in the shower. Do you know that 15 minutes of laughter is equal the benefit of 2 hours sleep? Did you know that expiration dates on bottled water is for bottle and not for the water in it? You might be surprised to know that there is enough plastic waste on the earth to create another Pluto-sized planet. Do you know that when drunk people talk, 75% of what they say is true? Do you know that Bruce Lee was so fast? They actually has to run films slower so that you could see his movies. You might be surprised to know that our two body parts, ear and nose, never stop growing. This photo is from Dubai. A worker is cleaning windows at the 124th floor of the Burj Khalifa. You know that water on moon was discovered by India with the help of their satellite Chandrayaan-1. Do you know that Charles Darwin ate almost every animal that he discovered? Do you know that gamophobia is the fear of marriage, relationship or commitment? You might be surprised to know that sleeping under a weighted blanket can help reduce anxiety and insomnia. Do you know that the baobab tree can store up to 32,000 gallons of water in its trunk? You might be surprised to know that the black diamond is a rare apple with a jet black hue, and its taste is sweeter than honey and expensive any other apple.